Viewer, I will teach you in this tutorial how you can use the overlapping technique to make the different shapes and designs. So generate that picture here. Keep using the new designs. Explore the features. So there we have. I will keep on editing there. Let's use it. Thank you for watching our video. So I will add a paint into these shapes and then generate another shape. Add that paint here. Let's make the other options.